All right, everyone, today we have a part off of a 1951 Rolls-Royce. What I've been told this part is actually where the fender kind of meets with the hood. That's what these parts are for. We're gonna see if we can not damage this cloth. We're gonna be using a 90 grit aluminum oxide here in the VH 3500. And the reason for that is because these parts are actually gonna be painted afterwards. So they're gonna be removing some paint and also prepping for paint. I'm gonna start off a little bit lower on the pressure. And also, just to let you guys know, we are using a 12 millimeter nozzle. Just because we're using a larger abrasive. Oh yeah, it's already taking it off, even at low pressure. I might bump it up to like 80. Oh yeah. Oh my God, watch this, ready? It's literally wiping the paint away. Gotta switch gloves. Hot swappable. So that was a very quick demonstration of how easily these things remove paint. This part's ready to actually be painted. It's gonna be sanded down again. That's why they're not too worried about the flash rust, which you can see coming back, just because they have a specific spec they need to meet. If you were gonna paint this directly afterwards, which you absolutely could, because this is a 90 aluminum oxide, we do have a corrosion inhibitor, which prevents this flash rusting, and then you could just immediately roll into painting. But I was impressed at how fast this came off. I mean, it was literally just wiping it away. We kind of coined the term magic wand because you point it at it and it disappears. But yeah, this thing turned out great. And if you guys are curious how to get results just like this in your shop, because all of our machines achieve the exact same results, you can call us at 828-202-5563, and you can check us out online at vaporhonetechnologies.com. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'd love interacting with you guys and answering your questions. So just drop the comment. And again, thank you all for watching. Have a great day and peace.